Dish soap mixed with hot water can sometimes loosen or flush mild sink and bathtub clogs, but it is not a universal fix. For a practical how-to, add about 2 tablespoons of plain liquid dish soap directly into the clogged drain. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes to penetrate and lubricate the trapped material. Then follow with a kettle of very hot but not boiling water poured in a slow, steady stream. The soap cuts grease and the hot water melts and carries it away. If the drain has standing water, remove as much as possible first with a cup or small container so the soap and hot water can reach the blockage rather than merely floating on top. For hair clogs, try using a simple bendable drain snake or a wire hanger shaped into a small hook to pull out the fibers after loosening them with soap and heat, because soap alone usually cannot dissolve keratin. When dealing with greasy buildup in kitchen sinks, repeat the soap and hot water treatment 2 or 3 times and follow with vigorous flushing under running water. Avoid boiling water on PVC plumbing because temperatures above 210 degrees Fahrenheit can deform plastic pipes. If the initial attempts do not restore flow, use an enzyme drain cleaner overnight that digests organic residue, or mechanically clear the trap by loosening the P-trap with a bucket underneath to catch water, then reseal it carefully to prevent leaks. Common mistakes are pouring boiling water straight into plastic pipes, which can warp fittings and cause leaks. So use very hot but not boiling water and confirm pipe material before applying extreme heat. Another issue is relying on dish soap for hair clogs. It may lubricate slightly but will not dissolve hair, so combine it with mechanical removal or an enzyme product. A third concern is using chemical drain cleaners on old or corroded pipes because they can accelerate damage and cause hazardous fumes. Choose enzyme or manual methods first and reserve harsh chemicals for metal pipes with proper ventilation and protective gloves. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and local contractors around projects like drain clearing and plumbing repair, and our site helps homeowners find contractors while helping contractors find work. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share practical tips, troubleshooting steps, and real-world experiences.